This is lesson 101, number 12. All this can be found on page 573 because it's example 100.8, but I'll go ahead and do it anyway. We're supposed to develop the identity for cosine x minus cosine y. So if you looked on page 573, you would find out that the identity is supposed to look like this down here. So I'll show how we get it. The first step is to let a plus b equal x. So all these, like where there's a plus b's, we're going to use x. So we're allowed to do that. Just let x equal that. And then the a minus b's, we're going to let that equal y. Now if you do a system of equations on these, then you can cross out the b's and you'll have 2a equals x plus y. And so you can solve it for a, and you can get that a is x plus y over 2. The reason that would be helpful, because you can plug it in where you see some a's. Okay, and then, because see, this doesn't have a's and b's in it, it has x and y. Over here, so we also want to solve it for b. So if you just subtract the bottom equation from the top equation, then the a's will cancel out, that will distribute that negative, and you'll have 2b and x minus y, and then you end up with b equals x minus y over 2. And then you grab your 2, all these proofs are usually coming from our sum and difference identities. So you know those 4 sum and difference identities that are in the back of your book. Look through them and then find ones that have, cosine. Well, you got to choose the cosine ones, right? So don't use the sine ones because we're looking for cosine. So if you actually subtract the cosine a minus b from the cosine a plus b, then you'll have a cancellation here, and then you'll end up, this is subtracting, so it'll be like there'll be 2 negative sine a sine b's there, and then you end up with, if you plug in, remember we said that let x equal a plus b, so just plug in x and plug in y, because we said let y, where is it? We said let y equal a minus b. Plug that in there. And then remember we said a was x plus y over 2 and b was x minus y over 2. And that's how you do it.